Hello everyone, welcome to React Learning Course. In the last video we learned about props and using a props and functional components. In this video I want to talk about props and class components. So let's start. First I want to create another file here in person directory. Name for this will be my class.js. And here I want to use class component like this, and name for my class component will be also using props. Okay, like this. In the class component we have one state object. We will talk about the state in the next video, and also we have render method. So now we should use React elements here and do parent element. So now I want to use one edge tag, and here also I want to write my name is Hafiz. I am 33 years old, like this. Now I want to use props and class components. So how we can to use props and class component? First I want to import React, and also I want to import component, because we using components in this file. So and now I want to save this file and import this components and if component using props. And also I want to save this code and move to browser. You will see now I want to use 2 instead of 0, and we will see my name is Hafiz. I am 33-year-old from class component. So now I want to use props and class component. So how we can to do this? First I want to use this again here and class component, and I want to copy this twice. Change name for this, 22 88 Salim, and now save this file, move to browser. Let's see, here displayed output from functional component, and also we have output from class component. Now we want to use props and class component to display these components in different style and different properties. Let's move to my class.js file and write here instead of Hafiz this. We use this keyword for using props and class components. This dot props dot name, like this. And also I want to use instead of 33 this dot props dot age. Save this file, move to browser. Here we have my name is Hafiz, my name is Agha, and everything changed. We have different properties for the same components and different style. So also we can use props.children and class component like this. Move to browser, move to code editor, and right here I want to use here one. Move this and create closing tag self like this. I want to use this in the first one like this, and I will write here something like this. I want to use here one paragraph and write here something. This is paragraph. like this, and move to my class.js file, and also here create one h1 element, and write here this dot props dot children, and close this curly braces, save this file, and also move to app.js, save this file. Now here we have two type of components. First, we have functional components. We used one components three times, and we selected different properties for everyone, and also from person.js file. And also we have class components. We use this class component 3 times from my class.js file, and we have different properties for everyone. So now move to browser, and let's see browser displayed. Also this is paragraph children props for the first component. My name is Hafiz, I am 44 years old. Also these components have children props, also displayed this components and different properties. So this was props and class component. How you can to use props and class component by this keyword. Thank you for watching.